What's up, everyone? It's Nick with the BuzzLikes YouTube channel, and today I got something in the mail that I was desperately needing. This is the Amazon Basics 7-port USB 2.0 hub. Now, this hub here is only about $20. It's $20 shipped here, and it's just a USB 2.0 hub, but it's self-powered, so you can plug it in yourself with a wall adapter. And that way you can get more power than the one USB port that it uses can supply. So here's just a little manual for it. Really like the packaging for these. You know, it's such a budget item. It's packaged pretty good. Here's the actual hub itself. We plastic around it. Peel that off. As you can see, it's a glossy black. You have 2 in the front here, as well as 5 in the back. Here's the DC power adapter here, and here's the connection that will actually plug into your computer. So if you see what else is in the box here. This up. And the packaging looks really nice for what it is, you know. Alright, so we got the power adapter. We have the USB to, I'm not really sure what that's called, printer cable. Okay. Here's the mount here. This is like a base, I guess. Looks like it just slips right in. Let's see here. Ugh. Something like that. Really don't want to break it. Let's see if I can slide it on without breaking it. Oh, that's the base. I'm sure it goes on somehow. Don't want to break it here on camera. I'm trying to put it on, but yep. There's my unboxing of the Amazon Basics USB 2.0 hub. Thanks for watching. This is Nick, the BuzzLikes YouTube channel.